When you want to place an element or a photo on your project, you can go the long way with File, Open, and then you open your image or element and you can copy and paste it back into your project. But there's a faster way, and it's called the Place command. It's accessible in different ways. You can access it under File, Place, or in the Layouts Studio, there is the Place tool. By default, the Place tool is only in the Layout Studio. But if you want to add it to your Pixel Studio, if you tend to work more on the Pixel Studio, you can add it like I did here. And you simply right-click, go to Customize when you have your studio open, and you can search here for Place. And there's a Place tool. Here it's grayed out because I already have it added. But you would just click and drag it to your toolbar and you have it accessible in a single click. So you can access the Place tool here, and by clicking on it, you can open the photos you want. So if I have this photo, it waits for me. At this point, I have two ways to place it on my project. I can just click, and assuming I want to place the photo in this placeholder, I have my photo. It is at its original size, and I can adjust the size to fit. Because this is a quick page, I place it behind and adjust my photo. So this is one way to go. But you can also go with the Place tool, choose your photo, and click and drag exactly the size you need. So you can see how I won't have to do as much resizing. This can be very useful if you happen to have a photo or an element or a paper that is much larger than your current project. So instead of having to look for the handle to resize it, you can adjust it like that. It's also useful if you are using a template. In the same way, I will click on the Place tool, but I would first decide where I will want to have my photo. So maybe I want to have my photo in this placeholder, or maybe I'll use this one because it is vertical. I'll just activate my layer, use the Place tool, choose my photo, and I will just click and drag to fit more or less the area, and I can then rotate to match the placeholder. And then I click and drag to clip it, and I have my photo perfectly sized in my template. So this is how you can use the Place tool to save a lot of time instead of copying and pasting your elements or your photos to your projects. Have fun!